A social media post has increased foot traffic for one locally owned eatery. Val's gluten-free restaurant about to close its doors due to financial struggles.
New at 6, WPTV News Channel 5's Josh Navarro shows us how the community is helping them rebound.
It was one of the best gluten-free pizzas I've ever had.
Valentina Suez and Andres Chen are the owners of Val's Gluten-Free Cafe, located near the intersection of Northeast 5th Avenue and Spanish River Boulevard in Boca Raton. It has always been Valentina's dream to have a gluten-free storefront.
I enjoy to share all my receipts with them.
Since they opened at the end of April, foot traffic has been down, up to the point the owners were afraid today would be the last day in business if they couldn't make rent by the end of the business day. And it was a social media post on a Facebook foodie page that members of the community learned about this restaurant and came out to support it.
Any gluten-free restaurant, I'm excited to try. I had never heard of Val's, so I figured I'd come over at lunch and see what I could do and help them out and get some lunch.
She had seen the post. She copied the post for me, texted it to me, and here I am. It was awesome. And I think the Facebook post, from what I can see here, is generating a good amount of business.
I am so glad.
I'm
For
very
me,
glad.
it's a big
I'm
surprise.
very glad and very
Yes.
excited. I wish I had 10 hands to grab them all at the same time and service them at the same time.
After the post, Valentina and Andres are breaking a sweat to keep up with the orders.
40 pizzas. It's a lot.
It's a lot. So we have to adapt
Yeah.
very quickly,
Yes.
market-wise and also on hand labor.
In Boca Raton, I'm Josh Navarro, WPTV News Channel 5.